ZIK Analytics Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our review of ZIK Analytics Dropshipping. Links to the product and additional resources are provided in the description below. ZIK Analytics is a comprehensive dropshipping research tool designed to help entrepreneurs find profitable products, analyze competition, and optimize their e-commerce strategies. It's built for both beginners and experienced dropshippers who want to scale their businesses with data-driven insights. ZIK Analytics simplifies the process of product research, competitor analysis, and market research, enabling sellers to make informed decisions without wasting time on trial and error. One of ZIK Analytics' standout features is its eBay product research tool. ZIK allows you to find winning products by searching through millions of listings on eBay, where it ranks items based on performance metrics like sales volume, competition levels, and profitability. This gives you a great starting point for finding products that are already proven to sell. The platform also offers a product spy feature, which lets you analyze competitors' stores and discover which products are generating the most revenue. This can provide valuable insights into which products to sell and how to position them in the market. Another key feature of ZIK Analytics is its competitor research tool. You can track top competitors and their strategies, including their best-selling products, sales numbers, and marketing techniques. This level of competitive analysis is essential for understanding the market and spotting trends that may not be immediately obvious. ZIK also includes market research tools that allow you to explore different niches, identify high-demand categories, and measure the potential profitability of various products. ZIK Analytics is ideal for dropshippers who want to take their research to the next level. Whether you're new to dropshipping or a seasoned pro, ZIK provides the tools you need to stay ahead of the competition. In terms of strengths, ZIK Analytics offers an extensive product database, excellent competitor analysis, and deep market insights. However, its weaknesses include a steep learning curve for beginners and a subscription-based pricing model that may not be the best fit for those on a tight budget. In conclusion, ZIK Analytics is a powerful research tool that can help dropshippers find profitable products, track competitors, and optimize their strategies. While it may take time to fully master, its extensive features make it a valuable asset for anyone serious about growing their dropshipping business. Be sure to check the description for more information and to get started.